Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm pretty much going to show you guys how I got this look. So this wig is from Donmily Hair. They sent me a 150 density 18-inch body wave wig, and this is just what it looks like. Let's get into the baby hairs. Okay, I love it. So far so good. Like, this hairstyle is so perfect for Valentine's Day, which is around the corner. This is such a gorgeous subtle flex with the hair, and it doesn't even cost that much. Like, it's really affordable if you'd like to purchase this look and follow through with this tutorial to just achieve these same results. And I definitely love this hair. I know you guys will love it too if you purchase this wig, so definitely don't forget to check the links in the description box for you to do so if you'd like to do so. But without further ado, let's jump into this video. We're gonna just start off by cutting our lace off using scissors and a razor. A razor to create two indents where you'd usually have your side parts, which will allow the lace cutting to be split up in 3, which is perfect for beginners. Also, if you're a beginner and you really don't know how exactly to do this and you want me to slow it down a bit, key tip, girl, just go in that YouTube settings, click on playback speed, and also click on 0.5. This will allow the video to be accessible to you in real time. Just in case you didn't know, now you know, sis. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to cut the lace off, and once I am pretty much through with cutting the lace off, I'm gonna remove these clips. These clips are actually there to just help to pull back the pre-cut baby hairs that I have. You see some sticking out at the part where my side part is. I'm gonna be using Got To Be Glue gel in the black tube for the baby hairs, and that is the amount I'm going to use. If you have made it here, you've made it to the juicy part of the tutorial. So I'm gonna just split my hair in parts to give it some volume, which is always very necessary. You want some nice curls. I'm gonna take the curler and twist away from my face, and I'm going to go down the hair and once I'm at the end, I'm gonna just twirl away from my face like I said. Gonna leave it there for a couple seconds, maybe 15, maybe 10, and once I release it, the curl should look like this. So if you got your curl like this, okay, cool. Now you're gonna use one finger, preferably a thumb, just to ensure that you get that curl right back into a position where you could pin it and pin under the curl. I'm going to continue and do it for all the other curls in the front, but before I do, let's just trim the hair up, give it some layers, parting, a whole bunch of curls, equal volume, okay? Always remember, never forget. So again, we're twisting away from the face, going down the hair. Once we are at the tip of the hair, we're going to just bring that curler upwards, keep it there for a couple seconds, and boom, your curl should look like that. Your curl should fall the way how the curl in the back fell, like that. So take your thumb and you're gonna pin it up under the curl. It's giving 90s. It's giving I just got off work and I'm finna head out. I love it. So this wig, as you could tell from the title, is from Donmily Hair, and it is their 18-inch 150 density lace frontal wig. I love how just natural this looks. It's just giving a fresh perm and a roller set with a bit of a round brush blowout. Like, I love this. If I could wear this wig forever and just rock it as my natural hair, I would, because it's really giving natural, and that's what I was going for when I just thought about this look and thought about what exactly I wanted to achieve with this hair. I got specifically 150 density because 180 density from Donmily is like really thick. So if you want you like a natural look, definitely go with the 150. So I am giving this a 10 out of 10. I'm not having any problems with matting. If I do, I will let you guys know in an updated video. I'm having no problems with shedding at all. I didn't have a shedding problem whatsoever. So this wig is literally just good to go in my book. Like I said, a 10 out of 10. I barely give wigs a 10 out of 10. The plucking was so easy to do, and I just love my wig pushed back a bit, and you know, like baby hairs on both sides, a little swoop in the middle. She's giving, and I love that for her. So if you like to purchase this unit, I would definitely recommend it, especially if you are going for a natural look. It's giving. The weather forecasts for today is okay. So yeah, the links will be in the description box for you to purchase this gorgeous unit. I love it, and I know people are gonna love it too. If you love it, just give this video a big like, and let me know if there's anything else that you'd like to know about this wig in the comment section. I definitely will respond to you guys. So the links will be in the description box for this hair. If you'd like to purchase, definitely check it out, and check out Donmily's website. And without further ado, I'll see you all in my next one.